Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Belmont local and long-distance movers near me. Whenever you want to hire a trustworthy and cheap Belmont moving company, you need the perfect choice. 3 Movers supplies the right long-distance and local moving solutions for your individual requirements. With our help, you get a quicker move, whether it's a residential or commercial move. Despite the type of move you need to be done, our moving team is prepared to make it happen for you. Our experienced movers know how to make sure your long distance move will not include all the worry. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the country. Our moving services give you all the right choices to individualize your move for your particular requirements. Hiring us guarantees you receive access to all the common long distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local moving company may not seem like it's worth the expense. A local moving company offers many benefits which can make it well worth the expense. You are going to definitely save time with your local relocation if you work with the moving company. It will also prevent you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. Our expert movers provide effectiveness with each and every single move. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. A move that may take you all weekend, we can execute in just one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Belmont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.